He's sitting. It's really cute. So we're in Katmai National Park right now. This is where bears come to eat salmon and get really fat, and the only thing that they're really concerned about is fishing. This place is, people can't hunt bears here, so they're not really afraid of people. They don't really care that we're here.
So I'll start placing seats, and you can help me decide who goes where. I'll do the outside first.